Living at the Desert Trails RV Park for several weeks has put us in an Arizona state of mind.
I know the time does not stand still.
With the moderate winter temperatures and endless attractions, it's easy to see why the snowbirds flock here. We arrived here with full focus to complete as many camper and truck projects as possible. And while we've checked a large amount off our to-do list, being stationary has also given us the opportunity to slow down a bit, become part of a community again, and take advantage of all that Tucson has to offer.
Today is Valentine's Day, and Nick and I are going into downtown Tucson to hit the town.
It's gonna be fun. We're gonna get some Mexican food, and I want to try out some of those prickly pear margaritas that they keep talking about down here.
Yeah.
Sound pretty good, don't they?
They do. We'll see. We tried to make reservations yesterday, and everybody's booked up, so we're hoping we can get in on a walk-in.
Typical destination now. You know, we don't plan anything out, so we're just gonna wing it and see what we can come up with. Take you guys along for the ride. Hope you're good.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody, even though this will probably come out a few weeks late.
Happy Valentine's Day. We love you. Thanks for watching.
Wherever I go, I will always know everything I need is right here with me. It's time to let it all go.
We made it into El Charro despite our conversation on the phone yesterday. That's why Shows live in the now. And we get the down low on the prickly pear margaritas. Apparently they're very sweet. And she also recommended the horny cucumber.
Happy Valentine's Day. How are you
Thank
doing?
you. Pretty good. How you doing?
I'm doing great. Thank you for
Is
asking,
there
sir.
something we can stick under this leg? It's pretty wobbly.
Super wobbly.
We'll be right back, okay?
Thanks so much, man.
Of course. Here's some chips, water, and sauce. I'll be back with the new one.
Thank you. We're happy to be here. This place is pretty cool, and it is empty. I don't know what the lady was talking about yesterday. There's so many empty tables here. And it's, so it's like 82 degrees today, I think?
Really warm.
Yeah. And boy, this has got to be the best way to spend Valentine's Day, isn't it?
We're gonna head downtown when we're done eating. I got my non-red.
We can share.
It's like a Kool-Aid.
Yeah?
It's very sweet. It's very sugary.
Too sweet?
I mean, not if you're sipping it.
Yeah.
It's good though. It's really good.
It's not too sweet. It's just right.
Zinger.
Try that one out. You look like a toddler drinking it.
2 hands in my sippy cup. Salty. Also sweet. They're both very good.
Yeah. Cheers, baby.
Muy bueno. Okay, so we got the pescado tropical, mango, and cod. I don't know, making salsa cod. Over rice, looks good. Give it a try. Looks like it's enough sauce. I need it all.
They have this jerky, shredded beef that they cook up in this cage, like a chicken cage up in the sky. And they hoist it up on this big old hoist, and then it sits in the Arizona Sonora desert sun when it gets 120 degrees outside. And it sits up there for 3 days, and then they marinate it again. And it is supposed to be absolutely spectacular. So they provided us a free sample. That was very kind of them. So thank you, El Charo. Oh my God, that's good. Holy smokes. It's smoky, really smoky. Just packed full of flavor. It's got a lot of moisture to it. Maybe some mesquite in there. Little miniature lime, look at that.
We didn't try that.
Let's give that a shot. They took our fork. Oh my gosh. That is just pure heavenly. Mwah.
Where are we going?
Good question.
There are nearly 60 murals scattered throughout the streets of Tucson, as well as a mapped out tour you can take. While we didn't do the tour, we did find quite a few beautiful murals as we strolled around downtown. Tiny fist, dude. Oh. That's from the Will Smith movie.
Yeah? Men in Black.
Yeah, that one.
Totally ran into it. So I was filming this statue here and I ran into a cactus.
Pull the Trixie.
I totally pulled a Trixie. It doesn't hurt that bad. I know it looks bad. Ow! Okay, it hurts. Ow! Oh, come on.
That's the problem I have with Trixie.
Ow!
That guy's looking at you. What are you doing?
Ow!
That one had bugs.
Yow!
Ooh, you're bleeding, dude.
Yeah, a little bit. Not too bad. Ugh.
Let me see your leg. Oh, you got it in your shoe, too?
Yeah.
What the heck happened over here? I leave you unattended for 5 seconds. And you're bleeding.
Yeah. It's all good. You got it. No harm, no foul.
Did the robot push you?
He did. He was like, oh, tourist.
It's Grubhub. There's a meal in there.
That is so cool. You go for a walk? Okay, let's go.
Don't fence me in. Let me ride to the wide open country that I love. Don't fence me in. Let me be by myself in the evening breeze. Listen to the murmur of
The trails out the backside of this park go to the Tucson Mountain Park, which extends all the way to the Gilbert Ray campground where we were just a few weeks ago. It's pretty cool.
we wander over yonder till I see the mountains. Right
We saw one of those at the museum.
to the ridge where the west commences. Gaze at the moon until I lose my senses. Can't look in hobbles and I can't stand fences.
You and Trixie just shake your butts at the same time? What is that, Trixie?
What do you think, Trixie? Is there a bird on your camper? today the RV park has a concert going on. We're gonna go hear Peggy Malone.
They choose to be. Well, I know we had no money, but I was rich as I could be in my coat of many colors that my mama made.
Cowboy drives into town. He parks and he found a spot in front of a bar, parks there, and he, as he steps up on the curb, he turns back. His stock dog is laying in the back of the pickup. He turns back and he says, "Stay! Stay!" And about that time, a drunk walked out of the bar and he says, "Why don't you just put it in park?"
Thank you, baby.
Oh, good girl. You don't have to bend over or nothing. This is the best dog bath ever.
Sarah, Sarah, sitting in the gravel pit, your turn. And as she sits, she sips. And as she sips, she sits. She sits and shifts and shifts and sits.
She sits and shifts and shifts and sits.
Sarah, Sarah, sitting in a Chevrolet.
Let's play these bowls.
Mozart, everybody. Mozart. This guy, I'm gonna stop calling them Tibetan bowls. They're rice bowls now.
It's so weird how you're like forcing your arm into it and it's like trying to fight the vibrations and trying to fight you off of it. It's awesome.
Just chilling right there.
Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails, everybody! Desert
Happy
trails.
trails, my friends.
See you next Tuesday.
Terry Ness right here.
You're rolling around in the dog park. That's gross.
Just act natural.
Just be natural, Jacqueline.
If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you'll never miss another episode.
What's in there?
And we'll see you next Tuesday for another adventure. Interested in joining our travel crew? Head on over to our Patreon page and buy us a mile. All proceeds go towards bringing better content to you.